Well, I'm being harassed by Namagunga ladies about my Chamate Boys School, Native Anglican Church English, which includes 4 Ras. That it is supposed to be something else.
For us.
Or what it is. But there may be some legal issue because I am trying to follow strictly what Mr. Byers, the English teacher, taught us. But in case I may misrepresent him, he could be entitled to some libel that I damaged his name. But if I remember correctly, he taught us that if you have F-O-R, and then there's like a vowel, which is you, you say for us.
I don't think so.
Now, the Mugunga lady is always laughing at me. But I hope you Ugandans, you can understand what I'm saying.
Okay, so you're going to tell us about?
But now, more importantly, whichever way you speak, because some people don't speak English at all.
Yes.
The Chinese speak it in their own wonderful way. The Indians speak it in their own wonderful way. But their society has changed from a society of depending on muscle power to a society depending on intellectual power, intellectual labor, which means the use of machines and skills. And that's what we want Uganda to be.